Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about section of solids, part 1. And the first problem, a square prism, side of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm long, rest with its base on HP, and one of its rectangular faces inclined at 30 degree to VP, a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 60 degree to HP. Cut the axis of the prism at a point 20 mm from its top end. Draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. So now just I open the AutoCAD. So setting the units first, units UN, decimal precision 0.00 and insertion scale millimeter. Okay, right. Now first draw a line, command line or choosing the line command. Okay, ortho mode is on, so draw a straight line, for example approximately 50. It is xy line. Just xy. Now again I take the line of the ortho mode, just I place it here. Now draw an inclined line because the 30 degree incline, the face of the prism is make an angle of 30 degree to BP. So I draw a line, for example 10 less than minus 30 degree. So our line is ready, inclined line. Now I am going to draw the prism, square prism. Again I take length, draw a perpendicular. Better one thing, rotate it. Okay, no problem. Right. And from this perpendicular, so side length is 30. Then escape and draw another line. It is also perpendicular. 30. Escape line is perpendicular. Distance. Now escape perpendicular 30. Now it jointed. Right. Can erase that. Now this line for the axis, right? Okay, so just I like to text. So example 1, increase the dia. Just I copy this. This is 2, 3, 4, and change the 2, 3, number 4, and draw the projectors by using line from each and every end from 4. Same line command. Right. Again I take the line. This 60 mm. Okay. Draw a line from the here 60. Straight line, ortho mode on, 60, 60. Now change the line type, load it. We go for first one, yes or dash. This is axis line, right? Now a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 60 degree, and also it cut the axis of the prism at a point of 20 mm from the top end. So first I like to draw from top end 20 mm, just height, okay, 20 mm. Now I extend this line. Now take a command line command from this point. Say example at 60 degree 60 mm less than 60 because angle 60 degree. Okay, enter. So it look like so now just I move it or extend the line. Okay, better you move it. Just I use the move it line, or you can do one thing, line from this point. Ortho mode is on 60-degree line. Okay, at 60 less than 60. Okay, just I move on the line in the center point. Just I extend the line. This is our section plane. Now draw the projector from the as it is one, no problem. This line also same, axis line, this line, okay. But only one thing, ortho mode on. Okay, right. Okay, so our sectional top view will be 142. This area. This area is not included. So the section plane is ended here. So up to this I can close. Okay. Now I delete the lines, trim it. Yeah. Now hatch command. This is our sectional top view. Next, two shape of the section. So first I would like to draw a line. Say example line. So now parallel line. So just I type it as parallel GC parallel. GC parallel. First like this line, second this line. Okay. Okay, this is parallel line. Just I move one to here and so move it down a little. Okay, just I close it. Take a line, draw the projector, perpendicular line, okay, of the ortho mode. Yeah, perpendicular, perpendicular, perpendicular. Okay, now measure the distance from the XY line to 1. Okay, first distance 28.48. Now this is first plane, it is 28.48, 28.48 perpendicular line. Then second distance, second distance will be 4, that is 4, 2.5, line 2.5, right? Okay. Next one, the axis line. Okay, axis line is not necessary. Next one, second point, that is 2 points. 43.48. So again take line 43.48. Then next one, first one, this point 12.34. Then measure the distance from here 20.65. 12.34, 2.34, then 20.65. I change the color for easy identification. Now join the line from this to this command. Yeah, just try to select the line. So hatch it. So this is our true shape of the section. This is textural top view, and this is true shape of the section. And the next problem is a pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid, base 26 mm and 52 height, rest with its base on HP. One of the edges base is perpendicular to VP. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to 45 degree meets the axis 26 mm from the top. Okay, draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. So pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so pentagon pyramid 26 mm. So how to draw a pentagon? Okay, first one line. The position of the side is one of the edge of its base is perpendicular to VP. Okay, now I draw so line command straight line, which is the distance of 26 millimeter. Now I draw the second line. Okay, from this up to now the command is at 26 less than 18 degree 18. Similarly for line L enter this line, that is at 26 less than minus 18. So now the two lines are obtained. Again line enter at 26 less than 54 and join the line. Now you can measure the dimension. Right. This is the way to draw the pentagon. Right. So now to obtain the center of the axis, take the line. That's all. Now I measure the one. First I copy this This is 2, this is 2, this edge is 3, 4. The numbering is very much important. 5. Okay. Now draw the projectors from the axis point. Okay. Now the height is 52 mm. So 52. This is pyramid. So join the axis. Okay. Now change this to height. Now the axis point 26 from the top, 45-degree inclination. The section plane is 45-degree inclination. At the same time, it is passing through the point 26 mm from the top. Right. So now draw a line from the top true axis. It is 26, and draw one horizontal line for our reference. Now L at, say example, 75. This is just for sample line. So inclination less than 45 degree. Okay. Now just I move on it. Yeah. Okay. Now draw the vector. Okay. So look at this. This plane meet this line at 1 2. So you you should extend the line up to second point. Okay. Right. Similarly, from the axis, and draw the projector from this line also. See, this line is 4 and 5, only edges 5, right? Edges 5, so up to 5 you can stop. Then draw the projector. So this line, for example, this line from the 4. Okay, so extend the line, draw the projector up to 4, right? Okay, now draw the line to this point. Okay, and this line should be okay. For example, yes, this line from 3 and 5. So extend this line up to 3 also, right? Now meet the point where it meets. Okay, now select this line. This is sectional top view. Okay, just I remove this other trim. I delete it. Yeah, hatching command, H enter. Yes, 50. This is our sectional top view. Okay, so main thing is the projectors, drawing the projectors up to these edges. Okay, that is very important. Okay, now true shape of this section. Again, I used to draw this single line, GC parallel. Okay, first select this line and this line. So now this is parallel. Now Draw a perpendicular line from this edge. Ortho mode should be off. Yeah, perpendicular. Perpendicular. Perpendicular line, right? Now measure the distance from the first point 1 and 2. The distance from the xy line, first one 1 is 38.80, and from this, from 1 is 19.82. So 38.80. First I draw a line, perpendicular line. Okay, we use a different color. 38.80. Okay, then I change this to color to by black. Line 19.82. From this 19.82. Okay, next one, this point, from this line. Okay, this line from the where 5 and 3. Okay, now measure the distance from 5 from xy, 39.41. Now measure the distance from this to up to this, 18.59. So line, like the command. So which line to going to do? This line, 39.41. 39.41. Okay, now changes to line 18.59. 18.59. Okay, then this line 48.71. 8.71. Now join the line, different color, and this is our true shape of the section. Hatch this true shape of the section. Better is change the color. Okay, it's true shape of the section, right? And next one we'll discuss in the part 2 video. Thank you very much.